Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Elaine, and today I'm going to give you a very quick mini HomeGoods haul. So I had some things to return back to the store from my last HomeGoods haul, so you will want to watch that one because you'll get to see all the things that I picked up for $500 at HomeGoods to refresh my home for the summer, because our spring quarantine became a summer quarantine here in Texas. I just want to show you what I found because I am going to kind of play with my HomeGoods haul today, and I am going to put this chair together. Now, I got this chair from Overstock. I will link it below. It's definitely mid-century modern vibes. It's this leather base and then this walnut wood on the side. So I'm gonna put this together, but I bought some other pieces that I thought would go with it. So in my office right now, I used to have an all white office with teal green accents. And now I'm thinking I want a more urban, industrial, mid-century modern vibe. So I just wanted to look a little dark and sexy in here. So you'll see all the pieces that I picked up have been more matte, more wood, and definitely just a different vibe that I had before. So let me show you what I got today. I picked up this pillow. This pillow is by the brand Newport. It was $19.99. Now, I had seen this cushion, this pillow, when I went the last time, but I picked up the two pillows that I got in the last haul. Saw it again today and thought, you know what, it may work better than what I had chosen, so I went ahead and picked it up. We will play with it. This is for my bedroom, not the office. I've already disinfected this, so it's okay. I also picked up this pillow. Now, I don't have a tag on this one because it just did not come with a tag, but it did cost $19.99, and I thought this was like a very cool vibe to go in my mid-century modern chair that I am going to put together. So we're going to see how this works as well. I got, this is so cool, you guys. It's by Good Grips. It's a multi-unit measurement cup, and it's as big as 2 cups. But what I like about this is that it has wet and dry markings, and it has a rotating sleeve. It also has measurements for rice. It has UK measurements for fluid ounces, cups and pints, and then the US cups and fluid ounces. So I just love this. I thought it was so neat. It was $4.99, and I cook a lot, so this is definitely gonna get used. I got some coasters for my office. I drink a lot of tea and water all day, so I definitely need coasters on my desk. And so I picked these up. They are wooden and marble. They said they were handcrafted in India, and I got four for I think $5.99, and then this is what they look like. I love the mix of the marble and the wood. I thought that would be a great vibe and go really well with my chair. Let me tell you what I did before I show you the next items. So I've been watching YouTube, and I watched this YouTube video about, preparing for a Great Depression, or if we go into a Great Depression, things we would need, right? Survival things we would need. And one thing someone said that I had not thought of was you want a lot of extra underwear, because I guess during the Great Depression, the last one that we had, during that time period, people could not afford new underwear, and they were literally sewing up the holes in their underwear. So I thought, I'm just gonna give me some underwear, I'm gonna put it to the side. And so I bought quite a few. Now, one I'm gonna wear now, and I could tell you, but they had some by Lucky Brand and Vince Camuto, And then these I upsized. I got a size large. I know they look like some big ass panties, but let me tell you why I got these big ass panties. It's because I'm just gonna sleep in them like shorts. And it's gonna be a whole vibe. I'm just sleeping in my tank top and these big briefs that look like men's underwear. And it's gonna be a whole vibe here by myself. But yes, I picked these undies up. Preparing. Just saying. And I got a satin lined wrap cap, and it's by the brand Adama, and my friend basically forced me to get it. This was $4.99, and it's a satin lined wrap cap, and my friends swear by these things. And you know, I got the sew-in, and I think I'm gonna name the sew-in Keisha. Okay, so my wig's name is Tamar, but the sew-in, she's Keisha. So, okay, I got Keisha, so I was like, I don't even know if I need this, but anyways, it is a satin-lined wrap cap. So then I could kind of do these vibes. Hold on, show you. And kind of, you know, it'll be cute. But yeah, it's a vibe. And it's satin lined. So very, very cute. And I will use her. I also needed another bin because every time I go to the store and I find cleaning products, I tend to just pick up some wipes or pick up some spray because I need it. We live during a great pandemic right now, right? I take it seriously. So I got this bin. It was $5.99. It's by the brand Beano, very popular at HomeGoods. And I got this because I'm gonna put some cleaning products in it that's underneath my cabinet just to keep them all together. Now I originally wanted kind of a turntable Lazy Susan. I have two of them under the cabinet. You would have seen that in a previous haul. However, they didn't have it, and I really want to just keep this stuff organized. So this is what I went with. I also got this planter. It was $29.99, and I plan on putting a plant in this office. So this weekend I do want to go to the Home Depot and give me a plant. I already have an air purifier in my office. It's like right here. But I also picked up this humidifier and diffuser. And because I'm indoors all the time, and this is by the brand Molly, M-A-H-L-I, it was like 20 bucks. So because I'm indoors all the time, my sinuses have dried out. The AC is running 24/7. I don't turn it off. And it is like drying out all my nasal passages and drying out my throat. So for that reason, I have this humidifier that I'm gonna keep in this office. I gotta figure out a place to put it. I think I want a little table right here too to go outside of this chair. Just for this, you know, just for stuff like this and like my little coasters. But I didn't see one today that just caught my eye, and I'm not just gonna pick up any old thing. But yeah, this is what I got for my HomeGoods haul. So I'm gonna put this chair together, and then I'm gonna play with my goodies, and I will see you guys later when I am showing you where I'm putting all my goodies. Okay, bye. that chair together. So this chair is going bye-bye. And as you can see, this is the new chair. I already sat in it. It's very comfy. I don't even think I need a chair thing in that. But this might work here. That's a vibe. Right? This won't work anymore, but I feel like that will work. And you see, this is what I did the last time I got this matte piece. I brought this matte piece back in here as well. I switched out that green lamp for the gold, and then I put these gold pieces here. So now this looks more like the vibe that I want. And then this piece of artwork shows like that urban industrial city vibe I'm going for, the energy I want in my office. Like, we hustling in here, you know. You guys, I am so deep into moving furniture, it's crazy. But I decided to move my dark wooden chair from the living room into the office. I just feel like that's a much better look than the other chair, and the other chair is clear and fits better with my white leather sofa in the other room. So I kind of like how this is looking. And I had this mirror, I put it on top of the planner just to see what a table would look like right here, and I am here for it. I'm here for it. So of course, this is not a real table, it's a planter. And for that planner to work in this room, I would have to stain the legs, because as you can see, these are definitely darker woods, which is definitely what I want in here. So I am loving where I think it's gonna go, but not with this planter in its state here. And then if we put this here, it doesn't really do it for me. It looks too southwestern and like too Navajo tribe-ish. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is like my little filming corner, and this is my reading corner, and then this is my work area. So that's how I've separated the room, and that's for Prince Mighty. And I planned on putting the planter in front of the window there whenever I get a plant. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks. All right, guys, let me show you what I did. So I put a coaster here, loving these coasters, and I will get an official side table because I love the side table, and then I will either move that into the living room where I wanted another plant, or I will stain it and put it there. But this is the office chair that I put together, and I'm loving it. I will link it below, but loving what that looks like. I put another coaster here. This is going matching perfectly with the floral arrangement I already had, the candle that I bought in the last haul, and then I put another one there as well. Let's go into the living room where I moved my clear chair and I put it here, and then I put the ottoman here. So now my living room is just purples and teals mixed together with whites, and I'm okay with that. I moved the basket with like magazines in it here because there's just nothing else here, but I actually want to move it over and then have like a tall plant right there. And then in the bedroom, I went ahead and put this here. I will probably put some more pillows to kind of balance it out, but I do like how this pillow looks with these lamps. I think it's just matching perfectly, and I love it. And then I'm just gonna keep this pillow here, and I put another coaster there. So you guys, this is the end of the haul. As I say in every video, be blessed to be a blessing. I actually have a little work to do, and it's almost midnight, procrastination. So I'll see you later. Bye.